So, welcome back to New Technique. So, guys, I think you have already get my topic in what best I am talking about. Going to. So, before starting my videos, I should say something that who are using the Realme 2, they must know that which brand it's belong to. But those who are not using, so I should must say about them that you may be thinking that Realme, so it may be the part of MI. So I should say that no, that is not the part of MI. The Realme is a part of Oppo. Oppo is made the Realme, and within a very low cost they gives a lots of features. As I will show in videos that what are the things for I am taking with a low cost, they are giving a lots of features. So you know that the Realme 2 Pro, it is very only 14,000 its cost, and it is giving us so much big screen like 16.9 I think centimeter screen size. There is no any airs in the screen, and the camera quality and screen totally full HD. And the back there is two camera, one is I think 16 plus. I'll show you in video. And there is also front camera which comes with 16 megapixel, and it looks awesome, guys. So I'll show you that why I'm saying that Realme 2 is good, and it can take with a low cost. So if you are thinking that your budget is very less, then you can purchase the Realme. One thing, guys, the only Realme 2 Pro is available in online shop like Amazon, Flipkart, like this. That's are available only. You will not get in open market because that phone are rare. They will not give in open market. Why they does not give, do not give, I don't know. But if I get something about that, I will also say to you. So guys, trust me that who are already buying the product from online, I think they already trust in the online. But those who are not buying, so for them I must say that please trust on online, because about the maximum of the Indian people buy the product from online. About I think 75 to 80% the people is belong on online shopping, because online you get on the third part you will get. Because how I'm giving one example, that the online company like the Amazon, Flipkart, they purchase the product from the company to and store in their storeroom, and as you give the order to them, they just give to you. So you will get these things about three part. And if you are buying from something in the market, then I think 2 5 6 dealer they are crossing, and there that's why the increasing of the money in the open market you will get. You think that they are giving the 200 200 300 discount, so you may be thinking that that's the cool, so buy from the offline. But I think that from buying from the market it is not quite good, because they from the 2 5 6 hand is converting, so obviously they will keep some tax to them, then they will sell. But if you are buying from the online, so you will get in the third part, so that's quite I think less for your price, and you will get in the original price. And whenever the festival comes and anything, or you will buy something more, then you will get some more discount also. So guys, please buy from the online, and you will get this Realme 2 Pro only in online, not in open market. So guys, let's start my video. So I'll show you in my hand that how it looks shiny and what is that. So I did not explain the phone much more because I did not get some time. There was something problematic on that position. So just simple that unboxing and some camera quality I just saw. So if you need some more description about that phone, so you can write in the comment box, then I will show that in what basic you are facing problem. And guys, I have some communicate with the Realme 2 with the phone, that they have told me that if you get any customer that for they are feeling any problem with Realme 2 Pro and their phone is not proper functioning, then just you can contact with me. I will let you show that how to do, because I am having some dealership with that. I just contact with them. So guys, so let's start the video without wasting more time. So guys, and wait, do not forget to subscribe, and please share and like if you like this video. So let's start.
Ain't nothing better than watching you smile Ain't nothing better.
So guys, here is my Realme 2 Pro. So I'm going to unbox this. So before unboxing, I will show you its features from the back. If you see that it is everything is there here. The camera, the real camera is 16 plus 2 megapixel, and front camera is 16 megapixel, and screen size is 16.0 or 6.3 centimeter. And it is about this gram is there, how much it's weight, the 174 gram weight, and its cost is also given that 14,990. And there is the what are the containers given inside this. Everything is given. You can pause the video and see. So I will not show because the video is going to extend more. So this is the back. So now I am going to open it. So as I open it, you can see everything. So here is the back camera is back cover is given. So it is the translate. You can see. Let's keep it aside. And here is some manual is given also. You can read. I will not read more. Let's keep it aside. And here is the phone. It's totally in cover, so I will open it later. Let's see what is that inside extra. There's a charger and there's a cable cord, you can see. So we got this, and now it's time for opening this phone. So phone is coming from the back. As I open, so here you can see the key. Here is my phone and I'm opening it. So as I open, it is I think switch off. Yeah, I have to open it. So it's open, and you can see that the gorilla is already given from here, and it looks awesome. You can say that heavy shining looks. It is the fingerprint sensor, and the camera is good. Here is the given. Totally you can see that it is something Apple type. Here's the camera. So let's, as it has opened, so I'm sweeping it. Wow, what a look. So it's nice features. Everything is like here is no any point for the cutting anything. So as you just sweep it from the down, then it will cut. I am showing it at here. I open from the down. If I do it like pressing it, and here is some features also. You can see there is nothing more. So let's see about phone. So it's about phone. Everything is given about the device, the model name, the color, and Android version, the processor. Everything is given. You can see from my. So here is everything. Fingerprint sensor, the passcode is given. You can see the fingerprint, the face lock, the pin code, and everything is there. So you can open it. So you can take it from the screen control. Show you about the camera quality. So as I open it, camera, you can see that it is not in the night, so it is looking awesome camera. So you can see that my camera is a very good. If I look at the back camera, turning at the back, so very good looking. I will show you some photos about this. So let's. So guys, here is some photos. You can see that it's all looking like awesome. I captured this in night time. So you can see the good picture is coming. No doubt, the camera quality is very good. So guys, for today this much only. So if you need anything extra, so you can write down in my comment and I will do the video on the basis of that.